Hello there and welcome back. Third or fourth video this one's going to be that we've done. Just me today. Little lady's with her mum this weekend, so sorry. Just me the boys today. Little bit of an update. The differential has been done. Huge thanks to John Reid at Grand Tour Engineering. So I'll be picking that up in the next week or two, just as though we got it done. Apparently the bearings were a little bit shot and it's needed a little bit of TLC inside. But I'll put some photos up and when we put the diff back in, I'll do a video showing putting the diff back in and also the damaged bit, because I'm getting them back. We've got the new big end bolts, but in all honesty, was going to do that this morning, woke up and I just really can't be bothered, so not doing that. But what I am going to do today is just a quick little video to give you an update. Going to remove the starter motor, get that rebuilt, just sort of checked, because it has been getting a little bit lazy to start the last couple of times I've started up the last couple of races we've done, and it's been a little while since it's had new internals and things like that. So I'm going to take the starter motor off today. I'll get that down on, it's Saturday today, so I'll get that down to the local lad on Monday, get him to rebuild it. Hopefully we'll have it back Monday or Tuesday and get that back on and get the new big end bolts put in when I pick the little one up from school after Monday, if she can be bothered. And it's always nice to have a little bit of company in the garage as well, isn't it? So but yeah, so starter motor off today. I'm not going to bore you with that because it's literally 2 bolts and 2 wires, so don't really think you need to kind of watch me doing that. But we're racing in 6 weeks. Talking to Dean, who helps me, yesterday, kind of had that sudden moment of realization that it's not far away, so best kind of pull my finger out and get this car done. So it's good news is the bits are kind of coming in thick and fast, that we're doing. So let's say the starter motor, differential to put that in, get the new big end bolts on so I can get the rest of the big end bearings changed. We've got the GoPro wired thing to get installed, so I'll get that done in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to change the gearbox oil so that it's got fresh oils across the whole engine. Check the fuel system, see if clean the fuel filters out, things like that, and then fingers crossed she'll start up off the button and we'll be ready to go. The only thing I'm not sure if I can afford for the start of the year is tyres, so if anybody out there fancy sponsoring me a set of tyres, greatly appreciated. Get in touch in the comments and things like that. There's plenty, although the car's well sticked up, there's still always space, so give me a shout. It'd be very, very much appreciated for this year. But yeah, so she's it's still in need of a damn good clean, but yeah, so I've still got the ratchet on there where we turn the engine, put a new oil belt on. I will still need to get the oil pump sort of readjusted and things like that once we put the new belt on. But yeah, she's getting there, and she needs to get there because we haven't got long. It's been a little while since we've done a video, and I just thought I'd give you a quick update really. But yeah, so let's go and get the starter motor off. Woohoo. So there she is, out. One Rover V8 starter motor. Yep, so we'll get this down to the little guy. I can't remember his name actually. I'll when we get it back, I'll see who's done it in the next video when we put it back on. But yeah, so just very, very, very short video today. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying our content, please like, please subscribe. It really is going to make a difference. Obviously I know there's not much action footage at the moment, but that'll come shortly after 6 weeks, fingers crossed, and fingers crossed it'll be the action of the good kind. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Please hit the like, please hit the subscribe, and as I said earlier, anybody interested in sponsoring us, there's plenty of space on the car. We can always make room for new companies, new sponsors, and certainly all comes in handy. Thank you very much. Cheers guys, see you soon. Cheers.